Do you know that there are studies out that show that scents, things that you smell, can help to bring about calm in your life? Now, I know this because I've studied herbs and about aromatherapy for many years. And I know that aromatherapy or essential oils can do several things. One is that it can help support a very good, restful night's sleep, as well as bring calm into your life. Now, because we live in a world that just has us running to and fro, busy all the time, we're at work, we go home, we deal with our families, our children, our mates. We may be involved in the community, volunteer work, or with our church. And we just have this constant um, need for movement and being responsible and taking care of everything and everyone except for ourselves. And when we want to feel that need of, I need rest, I need peace, and I need these things that I cannot find anywhere, not even when I go to bed. I'm still thinking and I'm planning about what I need to do for somebody else. Well, I'm here to show you that there is a way that you can find and bring a little peace and ease and calm to your life wherever you go. And it's called the Herb Jar Pause. And basically, what it is, see back here. I have some items here and I want to show you. Basically, it's such a very simple concept. You're going to find a jar and you can either, recycle it, get it from the thrift store. These are just empty supplemental uh, jars. And then there's some little containers like this that I found. You can buy two of these for $1 at Walmart. And the idea is that you take a jar and that you put inside dried herbs. In this case, I made it super simple. I took a tea bag, and the tea bags, here's some examples. We have one is chamomile. I'll hold up the box. Chamomile, all right, lavender tea, and then last of all, peppermint. These are excellent to help bring relief to anxiety, to just when you're feeling an overwhelming like your life, you just basically take one of these tea bags, you put it in the jar, and then seal it up. You could bring it with you in your purse, take it with you to work, keep it on your desk. And when you get overwhelmed, when you're like very, just even to the point of getting burnt out, you take it, you open it up, you give a deep whiff, and then you have this calmness that has come over you. This is a very simple thing that you can do to bring calm into your life. I want you to try this yourself so that you can have this. This is a trick, a herb jar trick that brings a pause to your days so that you can say, I have found peace. So I want you to remember that when you don't have tools like these, and this is just a small, simple example, or create a practice like this for you in your life, that overwhelm can continue to creep into your life slowly but silently, and you will continue feeling these things until it just completely drains you of your energy and the joy you have in life. So, the last thing I'll say is that one jar, remember, one jar One deep breath, and you've reset. Okay? One jar, one deep breath, and you've reset. My name is April Dean from the Creative Rest Studio. And one thing to remember is that there are tiny pauses, that with tiny pauses, it can bring you great and big relief. Take care.